Ready?
Yep.
All right. Effects work same way as the aux sends do. Okay. So basically, you would just select that desired effect, find the channel you want to add that effect to, add them into that bus, and continue on. So next mix, next effect. Here you have two buses for effects, two effects buses. Okay, and you can see that here they don't really have a unison. I guess it's more of just you have to adjust the taste because not all the effects work the same. So when it comes to the effects, in order to load an effects or find an effects, you hit the effects tab, and you see you have A and B. You have two effects, and then you can scroll through the different types of reverbs that they have and delays. It's pretty much the only effects that these things have. It's just
Reverb
a couple of reverbs and some delays. I don't think they have any other type of trip. Yeah. Let's see if there's any type of sonic effects like nope. And then it has presets. You can actually save some of your favorite effects in an empty location once you set a certain setting or change it around. You liked how it sounds, whatever. So I usually use for here a plate reverb, somewhere around here. Gated verbs are also nice. So let's just recall that one, gate medium. So you find the effect you want, and then you hit recall on the side here, and then it'll actually recall that particular effect. Okay. So I've recalled that effect now. Now we can go ahead, turn the master up, turn the mic on this time. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 2, check. Hey, you can listen to what the effects sound like. Check. 1, 2, yes. Hey, 1, 2.
Yeah.
And then you can adjust to see. You can also cue it. If you see that 2K is a little high, you just go find it, turn it down a little bit. And yes, hey, 2, hey, yeah, check, 1, 2.
Can you shut it off so we hear it sounds like?
Yes, 1, 2, yes, 1,
With that
2.
reverb.
Oh,
You meant the mute.
Reverbs actually have mutes.
That's good.
Yes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, hey, check, 1, 2, 1, 2. You hear the dry versus the white. And then you also have your delays and your B. In order to get to the B and change it, you hit the next. And once F is highlighted, that F1, you can go ahead and choose. Here we usually have our verb on A and our delay on B.
How did you go from A to B?
Just go up to the previous, and next. The arrows, these two arrows right here will go, up. You actually adjust the decay time of the delay too on here. So hey, check 1, 2, check, 1, 2, 1, 2. You can see it adjusts a little bit the sound of the actual verb versus, just exactly what it was on before. Hey, 1, 2, yes, 1, 2, 2. So decay time obviously is how long the effect is held for, okay, and how long it takes to, fall out. Yes, hey, 1, 2, hey, 1, 2, hey, 1. Alright, so now let's meet that one. Let's go over to the next one. Again, we go next till we highlight the effect, and we'll find a delay. Short slap, short tail. Let's use short tail for now. Now on the delay side, you'll notice that there's this tap button here. Okay, this actually lets you adjust the delay decay time by using your tap, by using the beat, so you can actually make sure that the delay goes with the song and the vocals. So right now, hey, 1, 2, hey, 1, 2, hey, 1, 2. Cool, funky, spacey echo delay. It's cool. Like we're doing some of those funky
Delay songs.
Like those little, what is it? Genre.
You mean the Kim Walker genre?
Yeah, more like indie music where they use funky delays and stuff like that. So you can see, as you just tap tempo, it'll change delay. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very fast. Okay. It's actually cool trying to get that kind of spacey, echoey sound, you know, like.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's popular with the indie music crowd. You can give that super long delay, like.
Yeah.
I love you so much, and you're so cool and stuff.
That'd be kind of cool, actually.
Right. And you can also on your scene settings, on scene save song to song if you want to save like the scene, all the effects. You know, I liked how they sound. This next song I'm gonna change all the effects around. I'm gonna use different effects. You can save all that on your scenes too. So it's a cool setting with the console. Input A and B really is not used here, but if you have, for example, the effects, you want to send them through some sort of a processing equipment like a DS or some sort of other something to affect the vocals or the effects, you know, you have that and then have them come back on your aux input side, okay? Or if you just want to use the aux A-B side, there's actually an aux A-B in the back you can use. Talkback mic, very handy. So now we're going to switch my mic over from here. And then there's a talkback input on the back of this, okay? Let me just put this back in. Alright, so now I'm on the talkback channel, and this is what I usually use to communicate, you know, on the stage. You turn talk on, and you turn the microphone on, and this is how you adjust the volume of it. Then, you tell it where you want to send the talkback mic. You want to send it to the mains? You send it to the mains. Check, check, check. Hey, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And there you go. Now I send my mic to the mains. You can hear me. Usually, I'll turn that off. Make sure my auxes are on. And this is how I usually test my auxes when I first get here. That's one of the first things I do. I want to make sure that everything's routed properly, everything's set up properly, you know. I'll go in, turn that, hit the 1, 2, main's working fine, okay. Let's check aux 1 and 2. Hey, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, 1, 2. Now I hear them coming through the monitors. And I ask on the stage, hey, am I coming through the vocal mix? Yes? Okay, good. It's wired properly. I know that when I send stuff to the vocal mix, it's actually going to the vocal mix. Very important. Because if you get here and you start sending stuff to the vocal mix, all of a sudden the guitarist and the bass player or whatever, they're like, oh my god, all I hear are vocals, I don't hear any. It's like, I wonder why that is. Wiring is the, you know, there's something